Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 22nd December 2020. What an interesting day we had today. Um, Today market had a strong correction on the news of the new virus strain which is we have found in Europe and the sign of further lockdowns. So when we look into weekly chart, the first day of the week has almost taken up the gain of the last 2 week and taken a support at 13147 and has come up. So very strong correction. Our trade plan for today was to buy on dip. I took a trade on Bank Nifty where on 15-minute chart this first green bar. So when in the morning when it corrected at this green bar I entered, it moved up. I revised my stop loss over here, and then on this red bar I came out, and on the process over here I also increased my size. So when I exited here it was at break even, and then we had this sharp fall downward. Since I had no plan of short, and so I did not take participated in this particular fall, and I was just seeing this great move which was on downside. So I missed this fall, but I have no regret because this was not part of my trade plan. So learning here is that uh, be it's okay. Means I don't know what to say. Means when you have your trade plan, you stick to your trade plan. Good enough. You will see this kind of moves, and sometimes you take it, sometimes you don't. So, anyways, so now let's see what we have in store for tomorrow. So from tomorrow onwards, I'm going on a big vacation. So I'll be back on 4th. So maybe this is my final video for this year. Since I will be not making any trade for till 5th of January, I may not make a trade plan video for myself, and definitely for all of you. Um, so uh, just for education purpose, when we look into Nifty on a daily basis, Nifty is below 8 day, just above closed, just about 20 day, above 50 day, and about 200 day moving average. We had a very good correction today, so I would consider this as a positive correction, and that is what we see in the global market also. All the global markets are almost turning back. SGX Nifty currently is at 13390. And when we look into our 15-minute chart, Nifty is below 8, below 20, below 200, and below 50 day. So on 15-minute chart, Nifty has become bearish, but on a daily chart, it is still in uptrend. So for tomorrow, when we look into a Camarilla, we have a strong support at 13150, which is also a monthly magic level and monthly pivot line. So 13150 is a very strong support. If Nifty opens up tomorrow, say example 13388, then on top side it has a resistance at 13506 and 13683. So currently on 15-minute chart, the game plan looks like sell on rise. So somewhere in the zone of 13506 or 13683, you may like to sell it. That could be one opportunity. Second opportunity is that Nifty gaps down further, takes support at 13147 and then moves up. I think that looking at global market, I still do not want to go short in this market. You need one more confirmation red candle before we can positively say that market is in downtrend. So I would like to maintain my view of buy on dip, and I think that Nifty will gap up tomorrow and may take a support at 13406. So pivot for Nifty tomorrow is also 13412. So 406 is a very strong level. So if Nifty caps up tomorrow above 13406, and if it corrects, and if you find a very strong price action around this zone, and if you see a reversal, then this is a very good area to buy a Nifty. So that could be my trade plan for tomorrow. And second buy on dip is 13147, which is 13150 is a pivot. So over here. So I still do not want to short Nifty. I would look for opportunity to buy it either at 13406, which is this zone, and the second zone to buy Nifty would be this zone with a target of 13693. So somewhere here, just about a 200-day moving average. So that could be the trade plan for Nifty tomorrow. Similarly for Bank Nifty, when we look at the weekly chart, Bank Nifty was showing some sign of weakness and it corrected today. It is still above 8 day on weekly chart, but let's look it on the daily chart. On daily chart also, Bank Nifty is just similar to, not exactly similar, but Bank Nifty is looking little weaker than Nifty. So on daily chart, it is below 8 day, below 20 day, and just above 50 and about 200. So on daily chart, Bank Nifty is looking quite weak. It has come below monthly magic line. So this could be the last month close. And on 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty is definitely in downtrend. So Bank Nifty is sell on rise, and pivot for tomorrow for Bank Nifty is 29746. So 29746 could be somewhere just about the 8 day moving average. And so Bank Nifty could be a good short tomorrow. So we can consider shorting Bank Nifty tomorrow on 29796, 29796, which is somewhere here, and 29667, the 29800 zone. So just above the 200, this magic line, close to this magic line, 29800. So Bank Nifty looks to be definitely weak, and Nifty is looking little strong. So this tomorrow is gonna be again a very interesting day. We need to see how the price action plays out. Uh, Bank Nifty is looking definitely more weaker than Nifty, and Bank Nifty may have a potential to drag it down further. So Bank Nifty is sell on rise at 29,800 and 3175 zone, which is monthly high, last month high, and close to 20-day moving average. So these are the two areas where you can short Bank Nifty. And if you and Nifty is buy on dip. So Nifty is looking strong, Bank Nifty is looking weak. If you want to short, then short Bank Nifty, and Nifty is something which looks like buy on dip. So wish you all of you a very happy New Year. Uh, I will come back now on 5th of Jan. In between, I will keep myself updated with stock market, but I will not making any videos in between. So wish you all a very happy New Year. Stay healthy and enjoy yourself. Wish you all a very happy New Year in advance. Take care, guys. Bye.